Hey guys, super quick unboxing. As a matter of fact, I've already opened the box so we can get things going. And this one is from Neiman Marcus. It is from Versace. I'm not looking, I am not looking, I am not looking, I am not peeking. You guys let me know. This is the medium Medusa bag. Perfect. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. Alright. Yes. Yes. She has an adjustable strap handle. Just pop that out and adjust that. She has refined pebble grain leather. She has a gold ring here that goes straight through the leather. There's the Neiman Marcus tag here. And we'll look at those tags in a minute. Let's look at the bag. See, it has Versace printed here. She's beautiful. She is beautiful. Let's look at the inside. She has a magnetic flap closure. Yes, magnetic flap closure. She has a zip pocket here. That has a tag. You guys can see that. Just bag just put her over here out of the way. And let's see. Okay. Slip pocket here. It's partially leather lined, and then it has a black canvas lining. It has a leather Versace tag on the inside there. You can also adjust the handle here, or you can pop this strap on and off. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but I guess, hey, it's there if you want to do that. So let's leave her sitting here and look at what came with her. It's a little booklet and card. And then I hope everybody's having a great day. I've been busy on the telephone with my SA getting a few LVs ordered. You know, like I said, the price increase second week of September is what they're saying, but they've got all kind of releases and things they're discontinuing and all kind of things, so keep an eye on them. I found some St. Laurent on sale, and when I was searching Versace, St. Laurent, Jimmy Choo, all those Christian Louboutin. So a lot of good sales coming our way. And it's a really good time to take advantage of these sales. And this one is being discontinued. They have a small size that is actually about $500 more expensive than I bought this one on sale. I had a email from Capital One shopping browser for 21% cash back this day at Neiman Marcus. So I purchased this bag for a little over $900, but I got $192, I think, back in cash back using that browser. So yeah, that made a difference in my day and whether or not this got purchased that day. So a heck of a steal, couldn't pass it down. I've got the belt. Oh, and it fits great. It just fits great. So we're happy with it. Very, 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 very happy with this bag. I knew that this was going to be a safe piece for me, that this would be a good go-to, because you can wear it as a shoulder bag, or you can wear it as a crossbody bag. Let me get up here where you can see it. A very easy to wear bag. Like I said, I've got the belt, so I think that's going to be gorgeous and everything. And like I said, guys, use those cashback browsers and do your research on those. Capital One is an amazing one. Be Frugal, Rockin, freeshipping.com, any of them. But to throw your money away by not using one of these browsers is kind of like going to the casino and not putting your card in. You're not getting your cash back, and it's for absolutely no reason at all. So don't believe any of the myths on either one of those. But yeah, so yay! And this was another jackpot spent. Thank you, thank you. And if this is your first time here, I'm Stephanie. I'm sorry if I'm outside and it's a little humid and it's a little hot. It's rained here almost every day. And it's just Alabama Indian summer. It affects my sinuses and everything. It affects all of us in some kind of way. So if you live here, you know. If not, wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. And I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you.